The most amazing thing just happened to me. So I was at a cafe and I spotted the one, the only Mickey Mouse. And he was there with his friends, Minnie, Tweety, Scooby, Roadrunner and more. And I invited them all to my house for a disco party. Isn't that crazy? And now they will be here any minute.
Woohoo! This is fun! No putty cat here.
Hey, look, it's two dogs. Hey, you rabbit! Stop leaving your business everywhere! Ugh!
I thought I saw a rabbit. I did saw a rabbit.
Now I know you all are having a rest and trying to get your breath back, but I'm going to make the room really colourful. So take a few deep breaths and get ready to dance!
This is so exciting.
Yay! I'm gonna do what I did before.
Groovy. I love it. So much fun.
Finally, I get to dance to my heart's content. Wow, that was way too much. I just can't live anymore. I'm gonna die.
Blech.